Hey everyone, welcome back to Chef Jill Does That. My name is Chef Jill Sienna, and I'm here to show you another quick and easy recipe that you can make in your own home. As always, click the bell below to subscribe for more videos and visit my site chefjilldoesthat.com for more recipe ideas. Okay, on today's episode, we're going to make Philadelphia's own crumb buns, a bakery-style recipe that you can make at home with grocery store ingredients. If you're from the Philadelphia area, you're probably familiar with Preston and Steve. They're the hosts of the most popular morning radio show here on 93.3 WMMR. I've had the opportunity to meet them a couple of times, and they've had a chance to taste these crumb buns. So this recipe is for them. So before we get started, let's see what equipment and ingredients you're going to need to make this recipe a success. Now that we've got everything ready, let's go. And there you go, you've made another recipe by Chef Jill Sienna. Remember to click below in the description for a link to my website where you can see that recipe if you need it, chefjilldoesthat.com. And don't forget, click the bell below to subscribe for more videos, tips, and tricks from my kitchen. Chef Jill does that, and so can you.